What cool things can you do with a Fire TV? As we've explained, Amazon's Fire TV game controller is similar to the pads you get on your Xbox One or PS4. However, it has another special feature. In addition to mirroring the controls on the remote control on the Fire TV, including playback buttons, there is a microphone with which you can communicate directly with the media box. Get a gamepad and you can move the distance to the socket if you want. 4. Or buying a separate Fire TV remote. Sound from Amazon is fast becoming one of the best ways to make muted TV smart. The low-cost Fire TV stick, just updated in 2017, makes any HDMI-capable TV capable of assembling for over £2,000 in terms of services and applications, while the Fire TV box can replace the game console and now 4K enable streaming. There's more to these ultra-available devices than you'll appreciate if you first remove your cell phone and remotely lock AAA batteries. Here are 5 tips, tricks, hacks and secret features you may not know about the Fire TV family. 1. Search Netflix and iPlayer movies using voice control. When Amazon Fire TV with a microphone was first launched, it only searched for Amazon merchandise, Amazon movies and the Amazon App Store. The restrictions are annoying, but now it's very useful, because it will also search for videos on Netflix and iPlayer, and we expect Spotify support to come soon. 2. Improve gamepad play. Some titles do not work well when played remotely on Fire TV. It's quite easy for console-style games, but you can get a Fire TV gamepad, which makes these titles even more fun. Here are some of the games that benefit from the gamepad, some of them won't really work without it. GTA, San Andreas, requires gamepad. Minecraft, Pocket Edition, requires gamepad. Asphalt 8. The Bard's Tale, requires gamepad. Riptide GP2. Star Wars, Knights of the Old Republic, requires gamepad. 3. Voice support added to non-microphone TV drivers. If you bought one of the cheapest Fire TV sticks and you owe it to yourself, you should know that you can buy remote sound separately. As with the built-in microphone, the higher-end remote control is higher and ergonomic. In general, it looks better because where the base spacer is made of cheap felt plastic, the voice spacer has a comfortable soft surface and higher-end buttons. 5. Third-party drivers work on Fire TV. You don't have to buy an official Fire TV game controller for £40, RRP, to get the full Fire TV gaming experience, as it supports several third-party pads. Many wired remote controls work with a full-featured Fire TV simply by plugging it into the USB port on the box. The most interesting of the series are console drivers, because many of you have one. The DualShock 4 on the PS4 works just like the wired and wireless, with USB adapter, Xbox 360 pads. Xbox One pads will not work without the Fire TV hack. We do not recommend this because you will remove your warranty at best and your Fire TV at worst, but if you want to root your device, you can find instructions on the XDA Developers Forum.